All right, so I know you've probably seen a million of these make money online with Google Maps videos, and nearly all of them send you down the same rabbit hole of trying to find businesses on Google Maps and then cold calling them to try and pitch them your services or whatever. So in this video, I'm going to pull the curtain back and show you exactly what the most profitable real Google Maps business service is, why it's the most profitable, with real-world examples, and step-by-step how to set it up for free with no paid courses. And lastly, and most importantly, how to get customers with no cold calls, no paid ads, and no spamming people in their DMs. Let's dive in. All right, so we all know what Google reviews are. Obviously, the more 5-star reviews a business has, the better. But there's a number of items behind the scenes, if you're not a business owner, you might not be aware, that are a bit cumbersome to say the least with Google reviews, or any reviews for that matter. The first and most obvious is simply getting reviews. Most business owners have no system in place to send out review requests automatically to their customers. So they're just kind of on the whim of whoever might randomly decide to go back to their Google business profile and leave a review. That's why you'll see some of these businesses have like thousands of reviews in the same city, and other businesses only have a couple hundred. These guys have a system in place that we're going to talk about in a minute, and I'm going to show you. And these guys don't. The next thing is going to be replying to reviews. You know, consumers like to see when a business owner goes in and replies to reviews, because it shows that that business cares about the customer experience, right? This helps increase conversion rate, helps increase people's trust, all those good things that businesses want. Problem is, most business owners don't have time to log back into their Google business profile and reply to reviews that people left. Worst of all are spam reviews, where the business owner has to go in and manually request that those reviews get pulled down, which is again time-consuming, cumbersome. And lastly, and one of the most significant is, generally the more reviews you have, Google will rank you higher in Maps, closer to the top, which is the Maps pack, so you'll get more clicks in general. It's not the only metric Google looks at, but it's one of them. And it's certainly one that the average consumer would take into consideration. Now, because of all these expensive real-world business problems, this creates a very lucrative, very profitable business model where you can solve all of these problems with software. And now that AI has come out, it's made this even better. Here's some examples. This company called Review Harvest, over 700 businesses right now, and that's exactly what they do. They provide a system on the back end, which we're going to get into. I'm going to set it up live here for you, that handles all of these different problems all in one platform automatically for the business owner. Now, the great thing about this is when you go to pricing, this is all monthly recurring revenue for software subscription. And this is why when I say the most profitable, because you continue to stack monthly recurring revenue on top of each and every customer that you close. All right, so let's pop open the calculator here. They said 700 plus businesses nationwide. Let's assume they're all on the $99 plan. Obviously, some pretty basic math here. $69,300 a month. Now, of course, they're going to have some staff that they have to pay. But assuming everyone was on the lowest plan, that's the least amount of money they're making per month. In fact, one of the reasons I'm making this video is because Clay has a YouTube channel where he's documented building this from the ground up. Now let's see what it looks like as you scale and get a bit larger. Here's some larger companies, Bird Eye, same exact thing. Reputation management, here's before, only 5 Google reviews, with Bird Eye, 2,771. Remember I showed you back on the Google Maps, real world businesses that some have this system and some don't. Reviews.io is another one here, same exact type of deal. Podium is another business that offers this service. And Podium has a $3 billion valuation. So when I say scalable, no question, right here it is. Because software is always something that you can scale because the system is doing the work. It's not like you have to hire more people to do a bunch of hourly labor on something. All right, and the last thing here I want to show you, because I don't want you to think that the market's saturated and there's no opportunity. Every single year, there are more than 5 million new businesses registered in the US. And if they're a brand new business, they're not going to have this stuff set up. On top of that, a simple Google Maps search will show you there is a ton of businesses, more often than not, most of them don't have an automatic system set up. I mean, 46 reviews here. I'm sure this company has more than 46 happy customers. And the one right below them, 1,708. All right, so let's take a look behind the scenes here so we can actually see what this type of software looks like. Now, I know you're asking, wait a minute, Jared, didn't you say this was going to be free? And now we got software involved. Well, let me show you how you can have this for free and essentially never pay anything out of pocket for it. So first off, there's a free trial for this software. If you use my link, you actually get double the free trial length from 14 days to 30. But way more important than that, this software company called HighLevel gives you a ton of resources for free so that you can get your first customer landed in the first 30 days without spending any money out of pocket. But once you start the free trial, you get access to what's called HighLevel University. There's an entire training section in here just on reputation management, plus a bunch of other modules that cover all kind of other parts of the software. Right now, we're just covering, obviously, the Google reviews part. But even more crazy is HighLevel offers 5 days every Monday through Friday of live training where you can jump in literally during the free trial, and they cover all this stuff Monday through Friday in the live training. It's also recorded so you can go through it on your own if you're not available. But you will not find another software company that offers this anywhere to start a business for free. Everybody else is either going to try to sell you a course or they're going to charge you up front for something. So to jump on the live training, you would just use the 30-day trial link first. But then once you get that started, come down here to where it says that you're already a customer, click here, and that'll get you on the list for the next training. So to access all that, I put all the links right here in my free AI agency blueprint, link in the description to download. That's going to be the entry point for you to get started with all of it if you're interested. And lastly here, there's a link to my free school community where I have multiple modules in here covering everything you need to go from zero to paying clients all for free. So let's get back to the software. If you find someone else on YouTube that's giving you more resources than this, please comment down below so that way I can give you even more than them. All right, so this software kind of splits reputation management into two buckets of deliverables. One being Google Business Profile Optimization, so that way the business has their profile actually ranking in maps to begin with. And then the second one is the review system. So to get started, you log in, come down here to Reputation, come over to Settings, and we're going to connect to the client's Google Business Profile. Now this whole environment right here is called a sub-account. You can have unlimited sub-accounts under your agency account, even on the free trial. So everything in here is going to be connected to that one customer. You would have a different sub-account for each business that you bring on board. So then we come down here to integrations, and you'll see there's many more platforms besides Google that this can connect to, but we're just going to cover Google for now because that's the biggest one that most people are concerned about. So click Google, click Manage. Now mine's already connected, but here's where you would just come in, hit Add Another Account, and you would connect to their Google account there. They could log in, and now it's connected. You can go back to Reputation, and we can just work our way from the top down here on the left column. We'll leave the AI till the end. We'll start here at Review Link. So this is essentially the main link that the software is going to use to send out to people to get reviews. I also have my Facebook one connected here, but you can even use a custom link. Then we come down to SMS and we say, hey, when do we want to send the review request via text message? We can send it immediately, or we could wait a little while. If the business is providing a service face-to-face, I would actually suggest that you go here and use a QR code and let the person leave the review or scan the QR code right when they're finished up, because that's when they're going to be most happy about whatever was done. You can choose here, how often do you want to repeat it? Until it's clicked, repeat every 3 days, and then you can say maximum amount of retries. So this is actually going to monitor to see if they clicked it and retry. So again, this is taking that burden off the business owner to send those requests out for them to leave a review. All right, so we can create templates here too. There's pre-built templates. We can create one from scratch. And here you can see exactly what it would look like, right? So it's going to go out to their phone. Hey there, thank you for choosing, and this location name would automatically populate for the business name. Would you be willing to take 30 seconds to leave us a quick review? The link below makes it easy, right? You can even add an image for the business here. They add their logo or whatever. Super simple, and you can create multiple templates. So then we come down for the email, right? Because we want to send it out via text and via email if we can. Same settings up here. When do we send? How many retries? Again, we can create a new template. Then we can come in here and we can customize what that email would look like with the little drag and drop editor in here. No code. You can just click and change anything, drop in your own pictures, images. All of it's pretty straightforward. And if at any point you're not sure, there's a built-in AI agent right inside the platform. You can literally just ask it whatever you want. Everything is here. When they're all done, you can hit save. If the business is on WhatsApp, you can even go to WhatsApp here and connect WhatsApp. Here is your review QR code. So you could print this out and the business owner could put it right on their desk or by the register, or you could give it to any of the field agents' cell phones. And right here, we have spam review detection. Automatically detects whether incoming review is spam or not. And there's a whole list of features here that it offers and takes care of automatically with the software. That takes a huge burden off the business owner. And then lastly, this is where we can use AI to automatically reply to the reviews in context. Now you can have auto response where it automatically reads the review that somebody left and the replies, or you can have suggestive where it kind of tells you, hey, you could post this if you're going to manually do it. So again, this just says, all right, how long do we want to wait before responding? So assuming someone leaves a review, you might not want to instantly respond back. That could seem like it's a bot. So you say, oh, maybe you want to wait, whatever, 2 or 3 hours or whatnot. So we could just say 3 hours. I have a couple agents here already, but you can literally just hit create agent. You can choose from a number of different agents here. It gives you a little example of how they would behave. This one's professional. Then we have additional customization options here. This is the prompt instructions. We can even change the tone here with some other options. But here's the most important thing. What type of review do we want to reply to? We might not want to reply to a low review, or maybe we just want to set up an internal notification to go to the business if someone does leave below a 3-star. Or if someone leaves a 3-star and they have a concern, maybe you want the AI to reply to that in context as well. And we can generate a sample response here so you can kind of see what that would look like. So here this would reply, say, thank you, Daniel, for the 5-star review. We're pleased our combination of affordability and quality meet your expectations. We remain committed to high standards and welcome you to reach out anytime for further assistance. All right. Once you're done creating the agent, you can save that and you're basically done. Now, literally, you fully automated everything for the business owner's entire Google review portion of their business. And they're going to go from a couple hundred reviews to thousands of reviews over time, increasing their rankings, click-through rate, customer trust, all that stuff. Now, this is an upsell that's generally sold as an add-on where you can say, hey, we'll optimize your Google Business Profile for you. Or you could even use it as a foot in the door free offer just to establish that relationship. Because their Google Business Profile is connected to the platform, we can go ahead and do an internal audit, which is automatic, and say, hey, what other things do we need to do here? Now, this is connected to mine. We can say, look, their webpage doesn't have a chat widget. They don't have services listed. I'm a digital business, so I don't have local services, but a local business would. And you can go in here and you can update this stuff right from inside the platform without even having to log into their Google Business Profile. You can connect all their social profiles here. You can even go into the social planner and schedule posts. So if you want to provide a third add-on service where you can charge even more every month to manage, if they're a pressure washing company and they have pictures or whatever, and the business owner doesn't want to deal with trying to upload that, you can use this platform to provide essentially social media management for their Google Business Profile. Let's check that out. So here's a social planner, new social posts. We're going to post to the Google Business Profile. You can choose a call to action here. You can choose button labels. You can even use AI to create images or upload the images that they sent you. And right over here, it gives you a preview. So say it was a pressure washing company. I just uploaded this image from the media storage here and say we don't really know what to write. That's okay. We can go generate with AI. We don't need to use a brand voice, but you can build that out if you want to for the client. Tone of voice here, we'll say enthusiastic. Key message for Google Business Profile posts. So here we can just describe what the message is for the content. So I'll say client is just showing their work results from pressure washing. Please make a compelling Google Business Profile post that makes people want to buy. Goal for the Google Business Profile post, convert visitors to customers. We could say 3 variations, have some additional options here, target audience, additional instructions. We'll just hit generate and see what we get. All right, so we've got 3 variations here. Experience a dramatic transformation that professional pressure washing brings, our skilled crew, blah, blah, blah. Don't miss your chance, yada, yada. So we've got 3 variations of the post. So we'll go with this one, hit continue. And there it is, it just popped it in. And we can even schedule this post. So you can batch create a bunch of posts for the business and have them scheduled to go out maybe every single day. So again, that tells the Google algorithm that the business is active. And then people see those posts continuing to come in. Nobody likes to go to a business and see that the last thing they posted was 3 years ago. All right, guys, so that's the real deal. There's 3 real Google Maps business services that you can offer that business owners are already paying for: Google Business Profile Optimization, fully automatic Google review systems, and social media management. It's recurring monthly revenue, and I know the thumbnail said only $300 a day. These guys are making way more than $300 a day. If you want to check it out, just comment guide down below. I'll send you the link to my AI agency blueprint download. That's got all the links to everything else in the PDF. And most importantly, how do we get customers without having to cold call? That I have specially put together in this video here. Check it out, and I'll see you on the inside.